Hey everybody, Gregory here, and I am beyond excited today because we have Miss Elle, hey Elle, from Dupe That. One more thing I want to share with you, because another take the beauty world by storm situation right now is a product called Puff Me. But it's so expensive for this little thing. So from So Gorgeous, look at this. You know that Beyond the Zone Root Lift Volumizing powder we both love?
Yes.
Look at this. Just a little and you get that.
The same effect?
Same effect. It's a little bit lighter in power, so that you can use it through here. I use this a little poof at the root before you back brush and clip in your extensions. It's that double duty grip.